Struggling to start your passive income journey because you don't have extra cash to invest? You're not alone. And the good news is, you don't need a lot of money to get started. Imagine building a stream of income that flows in even when your bank account is low. Sounds impossible? Think again. Today, we're diving into ways you can kickstart your passive income journey with little to no money. Stick around, because the tips we're sharing today could be the game changer you've been waiting for. In this video, we'll break down the steps to start earning passive income, explore various low-cost options, and share a strategy that can help you build wealth from scratch. You won't want to miss this. By the end of this video, you'll know how to start making passive income without needing a large upfront investment. Whether you're starting from zero or looking to diversify your income streams, these insights will pave the way for your financial success. Stay tuned for an unexpected strategy that might surprise you, an approach even seasoned investors often overlook. It's simpler than you think and could be your key to financial freedom. Foundation of passive income. Let's kick things off by understanding what passive income really means. Passive income is money you earn with little to no ongoing effort. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to earn continuously from an initial investment of time, energy, or resources. The benefit of passive income is that it gives you financial freedom and flexibility, even if you start with very little. You can focus on what matters most to you, whether that's spending time with family, pursuing hobbies, or even traveling. Think of passive income as planting seeds. You invest time and creativity initially, but once those seeds start growing, they continue to bear fruit without constant care. Examples include creating digital products, affiliate marketing, or starting a blog that generates ad revenue. But how do you choose the right passive income stream when you're starting with little to no money? Let's dive into the different options available and find out. Find your moneymaker. Ready to explore your options for creating passive income on a budget. There are several types of passive income streams you can start with minimal investment. These include creating digital products, affiliate marketing, and starting a blog or YouTube channel. Choosing the right stream is crucial because it aligns with your skills, interests, and available resources, ensuring you stay motivated and committed. Let's take a closer look at a few options. Digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, are perfect for those with knowledge or skills to share. They require time to create, but can generate income long after the initial work is done. Affiliate marketing is another excellent option. You promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Starting a blog or YouTube channel requires time and effort to build an audience. But once you have one, ad revenue and sponsorships can become significant income sources. Each option has its pros and cons, so it's important to choose one that fits your lifestyle and financial goals. But here's the big question. How do you get started with your chosen passive income stream when you're on a tight budget? I'd love to hear from you. What's the one thing that's holding you back from starting your passive income journey? Is it a lack of time, resources, or something else? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's see if we can tackle these challenges together. Now, let's find out the strategy that can give you a head start. Connections for cash flow. Another effective strategy to start your passive income journey without much money is to leverage the power of networking. Building connections can open doors to opportunities you might not have considered or known about otherwise. Here's how you can do it. First, join online communities and forums related to passive income, investing, and entrepreneurship. Websites like Reddit, Quora, and specialized forums have groups where people share their experiences, tips, and opportunities. Engage in these communities by asking questions, sharing your insights, and connecting with like-minded individuals. You can also attend local meetups, seminars, and workshops focused on financial independence and passive income. These events are excellent places to meet potential mentors, partners, and collaborators who can guide you or even invest in your ideas. Don't be shy about sharing your goals and asking for advice. Most people are willing to help if they see you're genuinely interested and motivated. Consider joining professional organizations or clubs. Many industries have associations that offer networking opportunities, resources, and sometimes even financial support for new ventures. For example, if you're interested in real estate, joining a local real estate investment club can provide you with valuable contacts and insights that can help you get started with little to no money. You can also use social media platforms like LinkedIn to build and maintain professional relationships. Follow industry leaders, participate in discussions, and share relevant content to increase your visibility and credibility. Sometimes, a simple LinkedIn message or a comment on a post can lead to valuable conversations and opportunities. Networking isn't just about what others can do for you, it's also about what you can offer in return. Think about your skills, knowledge, and resources, and how they can benefit others in your network. By providing value, you build stronger relationships that can lead to mutual support and collaboration. Leveraging your network can lead to partnerships, collaborations, and investments that might not have been possible on your own. This strategic approach can help you uncover passive income opportunities that require minimal upfront investment, thereby supporting your long-term financial freedom and stability. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to start making passive income, even if you don't have much money. Remember, the key is to leverage your existing skills and resources. Identify what you're good at and use that to create value that can generate income over time. Begin with one passive income stream that aligns with your strengths, learn and grow, and then diversify. The more you utilize your unique abilities, the more successful your passive income ventures will be. Think of it like nurturing a plant. The better you understand its needs and how to care for it, the healthier and more fruitful it will become. Consistency is crucial. Even small, regular efforts can compound significantly over time. By making this a habit, you set the foundation for a financially secure future. Imagine the day when your passive income exceeds your living expenses. You'll have the freedom to make choices based on your desires, not financial constraints. Whether it's traveling the world, starting a passion project, or simply enjoying more time with loved ones, the possibilities are endless. Picture waking up each day knowing that your financial needs are met without the stress of a demanding job. You could decide to spend a month exploring a new country, take up a new hobby, or volunteer for a cause you're passionate about. Financial freedom opens up a world of opportunities, allowing you to live life on your own terms. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey towards financial freedom today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which passive income stream you're most excited to try. Remember, achieving financial independence begins with understanding and action. Take that first step today, and your future self will thank you.